One of the biggest misconceptions fed to young adults aged 18 to 20 is the promise that attending university guarantees a lucrative job. This falsehood is ingrained during their school years and reinforced by parents stuck in outdated beliefs. While it may have held true in the past, today's reality is starkly different. Studying isn't futile. Many degrees are valuable and the college experience is enriching. However, relying solely on a degree to secure wealth is misguided. Hence, it's crucial for students to initiate side ventures that possess growth potential. Personally, I couldn't afford university or perhaps wasn't academically inclined, but I always dabbled in side projects. Eventually, these ventures blossomed into multi-million-dollar enterprises, making me a millionaire. That's why I'm here today, to delve into 7 side gigs students can kickstart this year. And these ideas aren't restricted by location. They're applicable globally. Unlike those repetitive videos listing side hustle ideas, I'll showcase real-life success stories and rate them across key metrics: learning curve, startup capital, and earning potential of $1,000 monthly. Let's begin with idea number 1. Anonymous short-form content creation. Meet Daniel Bitten, who, at 16, earns an astonishing $500,000 monthly from Snapchat videos without revealing his face. The competition among platforms like Snapchat, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok for user engagement has skyrocketed since TikTok's pandemic-era surge. Platforms crave original content creators, offering significant financial incentives. Daniel's strategy of repurposing existing videos with unique voiceovers and edits, coupled with consistent posting, catapulted his success. I'd rate this idea a 4 out of 5. While creating short clips appears straightforward, it requires a deep grasp of viewer psychology for virality. Regarding the investment hustle, though some may dispute its status as a side gig, it nets me $17,000 weekly. Mastering the basics of investing isn't daunting. Resources abound online to simplify passive income strategies, account types, and the power of index funds. My approach involves consistent market entry, regardless of its state, with index funds being my ace. If you invest $200 monthly for 4 decades at a 10% yearly return, you'll amass over $1. 2 million, history's SP 500 average return. Starting requires minimal investment, with apps like Trading 212 automating monthly investments, ideal for beginners. Moving on to idea 3, Discord community management. Chris Peters, at 19, earns $15,000 monthly building and maintaining Discord servers. Discord, initially a gaming hub, has diversified into broader communities, presenting a steep learning curve for older demographics, but manageable for younger tech enthusiasts. Starting costs are minimal, just a computer, and income potential can soar through client retainers. Managing multiple communities and customizing servers to cater to niche interests can prove lucrative. Next up is online coaching, exemplified by Jack Jefferson, who abandoned his $70,000 London job for $7,000 monthly income coaching fitness online. The internet empowers coaching in diverse niches beyond fitness, offering geographic independence and leveraging digital products for scale. Personalized services stand out against generic courses, making coaching an accessible venture with low startup costs and rapid income potential. For AI animation, Mercy earns $8,000 to $10,000 monthly creating animations using tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. AI's integration into Create, despite its early adoption phase, mastering animation principles enhances marketability, with initial costs minimal and profit potential vast amid growing online content demand. Reselling luxury items, as demonstrated by Ben Gallagher, generated £7, $2 million in 2023. The luxury resale market's growth reflects millennial interest in status symbols, facilitated by global e-commerce platforms. Identifying genuine items and building market credibility demand extensive knowledge, but high profit margins reward expertise. Lastly, online writing offers lucrative prospects, with practitioners like Adam earning over $10,000 monthly. Writing tailored content for online platforms requires skill and focus, commanding high hourly rates. Minimal startup costs and global demand position writing as an accessible yet profitable side hustle. These diverse side hustle ideas cater to varying interests and skills, offering scalable income opportunities beyond traditional career paths.